Hey guys, it's Python26 here playing some DPO, as I think you pronounce it. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you hear anybody in the background, it will be Red Panda Replays. You should go follow. Or subscribe. Well, I keep saying follow because Instagram. Okay, this is the tell of please enter your spawn. Who should we put? Oh, wrong button. We're just gonna put my name. Okay. How do I even get started? I haven't played this game.
No.
Okay. Does anybody know what I'm supposed to? Oh, press enter to spawn. I'm stupid. Okay. How do I shoot? Is it spacebar? Okay. It's spacebar to shoot. Yeet! Oh, I'm terrible, as you can tell. Enter. Oh, really? You're gonna lag on me?
I think my iPhone games are gonna be short and sweet. Just for you guys.
Okay, here we go. No. What am I doing? Okay. Oh. Yeet! Matrix! He don't want it! Oh, I'm dead. Just spam. I swear. I'm gonna die. How do you even upgrade? Enter. Okay. Oh, I spawned. There we go. Oh yeah, you're done. Shoot triangles all you want. Shoot triangles all you want. Cause I just died. They can shoot triangles all they want. I hate these people. They could die in a hole. I hope one of these people is the people watching this video. No, don't ever say they can die in a hole. Maybe. Yeah, just say it to their face. Because I am just a zombie. We're going to play one more. See if I can get this. Oh, yeah. I hate life. Okay, we're going to end the video here. Wait, no, not here. We're going to end the video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Short video. Deuces.